Asus has just unveiled the latest powerhouse, the ROG Matrix RTX 4090, and it's making quite a splash in the tech world because this beast comes in a hefty $3,200 price tag. Yes, making it the most expensive 4090 on the market. But with great power comes great performance, of course. And this card boasts an impressive 2.7 GHz clock speed. And to keep temperatures in check, Asus has equipped it with liquid cooling and even thrown in some liquid metal thermal compound for good measure. If you're looking for basically the best card you can ever get, just pay $2,200 and get that card, I guess. And we've got some interesting news from Microsoft and Xbox. Yes, it seems that Microsoft recent leaks seems to have stemmed from the ongoing FC trial, shedding light on some intriguing details. Yes, get ready for sleek new designs, folks, as a diskless Xbox Series X is on the horizon, sporting a unique cylinder shape and a generous 2TB storage capacity. But that's not all. Microsoft is stepping up its connectivity game with Wi-Fi 6E support and Bluetooth 5.2, all while aiming to maintain the same price point. And for all you controllers nerds, there's a new two-tone controller in the mix, featuring modular thumbstick. So stay tuned, there's more Xbox for you if you're a fan. Brace yourself for a new Intel Sierra Forest Xeon CPU. It is marking the arrival of the 5th generation of the Xeon CPU family, and it packs a whopping 288 cores under the hood, basically doubling the firepower of its predecessor, which had a mere 144 cores. Mark calendar for December 14, because that's when it sets to hit the market. Now again, let's clarify this. This is a CPU made for server application, so keep your CPU and don't think about that for your PC just yet. Last week, Unity, the game engine beloved by developers worldwide, made waves by introducing a new runtime fee, essentially charging developers every time a player installs their games. Well, it turns out Unity has heard the community concerns loud and clear, and they've issued an apology, vowing to revisit their controversial game install fee policy. While we're still awaiting the official announcements, rumors are swirling that Unity might retain the fee but make some adjustment to the condition. So basically, we're sorry but not sorry. And that is all for all the tech news this week. We'll meet again next Tuesday. See ya!